So, are you trying to get your Nintendo Switch Lite online but not sure how? In this video, I'll walk you through the simple steps to connect to a Wi-Fi network. Let's dive in. Open up your Switch and go to System Settings. From your home menu, scroll down to Internet. Now, on the other side, open Internet Settings. Wait while the switch scans for nearby networks. Once your Wi-Fi network shows up, select it from the list. Now use the touch keyboard to enter your password. After that, tap OK. Wait for the connection to happen. Once connected, you'll see a green check mark. Your Switch Lite is now successfully connected to Wi-Fi. If this helped, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more quick tips and tricks. Thanks for watching. See you next time.